You know what's funny? Everyone wants to feel motivated before doing anything. हर किसी को चाहिए. I will start to go gym once I get that kick. Exam preparation का mood नहीं बन रहा. I'll start working when I feel ready. पर पता है सच क्या है? You're never going to feel ready. Welcome all. This is Straight Talk, and I am Dr. Mohammed Zia. You know, motivation is like that flaky friend. देर से आता है, जल्दी चला जाता है, और आता तभी है जब कन्वीनियंस हो. पता है डिसिप्लिन कैसा होता है? Discipline is boring. Discipline is like that loyal friend who actually gets you somewhere. One who knocks your door every morning कि उठ जा, काम कर ले. But problem ये है कि हमने motivation को ना magic बना दिया. Like one fine day you will watch a YouTube reel, you know, or an Instagram reel, and your eyes will shine and you will become unstoppable. But let's be honest. That motivation high, जो kick जो आपको मिला, कब तक रहेगा? 30 minutes? 1 hour? Then what? Then you are going to swipe up. You don't build dreams on emotions. You build them on repetition. Motivation makes you start. Discipline makes you finish. Motivation is like that one short espresso, sharp, kick, quick rush. Discipline is like our dal chawal. Boring hai, but it keeps you alive. Let me tell you something about Bruce Lee. Bro, हर किसी को याद है his power, speed, charisma. But you know what made him legendary? His boring daily discipline. He practiced the same punch 10,000 times. उसने कहा मुझे उस इंसान से डर नहीं लगता जिसने 10,000 पंच जो है वो सीखे हों. मुझे उस इंसान से डर लगता है जिसने एक ही पंच को, एक ही किक को 10,000 बार प्रैक्टिस किया. Think about it, 10,000 times. And there's nothing motivational about that. It's repetition, it's pain, it's monotony. But that's what excellence look like. You know what? Social media has destroyed our patience. We see day 1 to day 100 transformations, before and after glow ups, 1 year journey, all these in 10 seconds. And now हमें ये expectation होने लगती है कि हमारा भी जो रिजल्ट है वो इतना ही जल्दी आ जाए. Nobody showed you day 27 or day 38 or day 56 when they tried, the day they felt demotivated, you know, progress graph was looking flat. Brain कहने लगता है why the hell even I'm doing this? And that is the day discipline saves you. क्योंकि वहाँ तक आते आते मोटिवेशन तो मर गया. Every successful person you admire, विराट कोहली हो चाहे डॉक्टर कलाम हो, they didn't wake up inspired every morning. They woke up regardless. एक स्टेज के बाद I don't think कि विराट कोहली को ट्रेनिंग की ज़रूरत थी या डॉक्टर कलाम को पढ़ने की ज़रूरत थी, लेकिन उन्होंने किया. They did it anyway. That's what separate dreamers from doers. Consistency without mood swings. Because motivation is a feeling, discipline is a decision. आप इंतज़ार कर रहे हो for the right time to come, the right time to start. Let me tell you something very harsh. Motivation is the most overrated excuse for procrastination. I'll do it when I'll feel I like it. You won't, because you never will. Because the feeling you are waiting for, that actually doesn't exist. Winners or achievers, they are not motivated, they are habitual. They have built, उन्होंने अपना सिस्टम बना लिया, इतना अच्छा सिस्टम कि अब उसके आगे फीलिंग्स की कोई जगह नहीं, मैटर ही नहीं है. See, I am not saying motivation is bad. It is great for starting. It's a great start. But the problem is that people never wants to move beyond that start. Motivation is that spark, but discipline is the fire. Spark looks good on camera, but there is this fire that cooks meal. So next time, when you say I'm not feeling motivated, remind yourself you don't need motivation to brush your teeth. You just do it. Why? Because it's a habit. That's how life works too. Discipline is not glamorous. It is routine, it is dull, it is repetition, but that is what transforms you quietly. This was your dose of reality from Straight Talk. Thank you so much.